To enable or disable app notifications on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings you should be able to find notifications quite easily, so let's go ahead and open this. And then here we should be able to simply go to App Notifications. Now here we have a example list of a couple of most recent apps that have sent you notifications. So for example, you should be able to completely disable or enable these notifications by tapping on this switcher. And also you can tap on the most recent over here to switch to all apps so you can see the full list of apps. And in many cases, you can also tap on the app itself in order to find some additional categories. So this is like specific notifications that the app can send you. And if you want to, for example, disable a couple of notifications, but not all of them from a specific app, then you can go to these categories and you can decide which notifications specifically you want to see or you don't want to see. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.